Welcome to the Fossil Ridge High School Library website. This quick tour is going to show you how you can get to your research project page and what type of resources will be there for you. So on the left-hand side, we're going to click on Research Projects, and then we are going to click on the Things Fall Apart Mini Research Projects. From here, on the first page, you see that we have Day 1 instructions from your teacher's assignment page. So in our groups of 4 to 5, we're going to visit and research a topic having to do with the novel Things Fall Apart. So when we scroll down, first of all, I have a hint that before you really begin gathering resources, it will probably save you time in the long run if you take a minute to create your account in EasyBib. EasyBib is a free website where you can collect your resources and create your citations as you go, and it will automatically generate a bibliography or a works cited page for you, so you don't have to worry about the formatting. Another thing, since this is a group project, is if one person creates a new project in EasyBib, then they can go in and share the project with their group members, so that when you're on your individual computers and you're logged into EasyBib, as you add sources to your bibliography, then all of those will be added to the same project, so you won't have to copy and paste and put it all together. It'll be in your group's project through EasyBib. And if you need directions for EasyBib, you can scroll down to the bottom of the page, and there is a document that you can open up, and it's going to have screenshots, and it will walk you through creating an EasyBib account. So what we have for each of our groups, you have a customized Google search engine. So when you click on the search engine, you're going to conduct your search. So this one, for example, is for Nigeria. So there are specific websites that your teachers have already chosen that they would like you to use for this specific topic. So instead of visiting each of those individually and searching those, this is a shortcut for you. So you can type in whatever you need to know about Nigeria for your project, hit search, and it's going to pull up results that are only within these specific sites. In addition to a custom search engine for each of the group topics, we also have databases that I have linked for that group that might help you with the specific information. So for topics having to do with geography or social studies, such as culture and colonialism, World Book Online Encyclopedia and World and I Online Magazine, are going to be your best bet as far as the encyclopedias. Now, to access the encyclopedias, the databases, you will need one of those blue pages from the library that has the login information and the passwords, but you should have those in the computer lab when you get there. For our author, instead of World Book Online and World and I Online, we have two other databases that are EBSCO and Gale Group. EBSCO and Gale Group are going to let you search for author biography and information, also for information about specific titles and literature. So these are going to be your best bet if you're in this group for our author. So this is going to be for Day 1. These are all of your sources pulled together on one page so that you can conduct your search as quickly and easily as possible. When you're ready to go on to the next step of the project, you can click on Day 2, and here are your directions for Day 2. There is a link on number 2 that you can go to. This is the OWL Purdue Online Writing Lab, and this is information on creating those in-text or parenthetical citations. So that link is available in Day 2. Also, underneath Presentation Tools, these are several free websites that allow you to create more interactive and multimedia presentations outside of PowerPoint. So if you're kind of ready to go to the next level and maybe you're starting to be a little bit bored with PowerPoint, or you're just ready to explore some new tools, you might visit any one of these. And Dippity, especially for our groups who can create a timeline of events, Dippity.com is a tool where you can create an interactive timeline. It's a lot of fun, and it's very easy to use. So to go back to Day 1, or the project homepage, you just click on the link, and here we are back at the beginning.